Hi friends, how's everyone today? I hope everyone's doing wonderful on this first day of summer. This is June 21st, 2020. So they said on the news that actually it was 5 o'clock Eastern Daylight Savings Time last night that the official first day of summer started around 5:20 or something like that. I'm not quite sure. But my point is, thank goodness it's summer. Here in Michigan, we don't get that many good days, sunny days and warm days, so we always welcome summer. If you're new here, hi. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my Boxycharm Base Box June 2020 Beauty Box subscription. Here it is. So if you want to see what I received in this month's beauty subscription of Boxycharm, just keep watching. This box is fairly light. I don't know how much it weighs. I guess I keep forgetting to check how to find out how much it weighs, but it's light. Don't say here on the back, but well, anyway, I open it up and it says, "Hello Charmers." It always says that ever since I started receiving it about 4 years ago. This is one of my favorite beauty subscriptions. I also like others, but this is my favorite. This is a monthly beauty subscription. You get beauty products, skincare, makeup, and sometimes lifestyle. This runs $25 a month. That's the base box, that is. So, yeah. They also have a Boxy box, and that is a quarterly seasonal box. I used to subscribe to that one, but I decided to unsubscribe and just keep with the base box. The only reason why I did that is because I have a lot of products, and I don't want to waste anymore. And I also, financial reasons, of course, always is. Isn't it always that? But that's okay because I have lots of makeup and skincare and you name it. I have lots. But I still want to keep getting this because I enjoy it. Also, I want to show you what I received so that you can maybe decide to sign up if you want. If not, that's fine. I don't care. But I'm going to give you my honest opinion of what I think of the box, of the products. So I try to stay positive because after all, these are just products they want you to sample and try. Okay. Open her up and here's what's inside. They have some bubble wrap in here this month. Sometimes they use foam. I also have a card. And on this card tells me the products I received and the description and the manufacturer's suggested retail price. We always get 5 full-size products, so that's nice. And they have a theme this month, and it's called the Oasis. And I have version 100. How you tell is you look in the corner of your card, and it has a number and a heart, and that is your version. So 100. First time I ever got that high of a number. They have a lot of charmers, that's for sure. Alright, first thing I'm gonna pull out in here is a product called Pretty Filter Glassy. It's a glassy skin balm, and it's by Touch and Soul. And I have received this before. In fact, they sent me an email apologizing. "Sorry, Charmer, we accidentally sent you something you already received." So they ended up giving me a $12 code that I could use towards the add-ons. And I went ahead and used that. And I do like this. At the time I didn't know what the repeat was, but I'm glad it was this. It comes like this. And I'm not gonna open this because I brought down my other one that I have just like it, and I'll show you what it's like. And I'll show you what it's like. It's real pretty packaging. I like the lid. It's unique. Just Little things like that make me happy. They have a little safety seal on here, and I've been using this. I mean, it's over half gone. So, in fact, I used it today. And it's a real silky feeling, smooth. And this is what it's like. I grabbed quite a bit there, didn't I? I'm going to put it on my hands. It's not a real heavy cream. And I like that, especially in the summer, because I don't like heavy creams because it just makes me feel warm. Because even though we have nice, beautiful days, our summer days are usually very muggy. We have a lot of lakes around, and when it rains, it just, you know, the Great Lakes are around us, so we have a lot of humidity. That's what I'm trying to say. So I enjoy the heat. However, I don't enjoy the stickiness of it. You know what I mean? So, oh well. I don't have central air or air conditioning in my house. Bought this home about 1.5 years ago and didn't think. I thought, oh, I can put window air conditioners in the windows. No. Our windows are long and tall, and there's no way you can put a window air conditioner in there. So I'm in the basement now. It's a little cooler down here. However, today is warm. Don't have the fans on because I was trying to not have background noise even for you guys. So, all right. Touch and Sew is a pretty filtered glossy skin balm. It's ultra hydrating priming skin balm with sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $32. And the next thing I'm going to stop. My memory card was full. I had some old videos on there. Forgot I even had. So I erased those. And meanwhile, I went ahead and put my fan on because I am dying here. So I apologize for the background noise, but I can't take it. I just can't take it. Sorry. I think I left off with a second product that I pulled out of this box, and that is by, let me read the card because I'm not quite sure. It's by Beauty Vault. It's a lip liner trio. So there's 3 lip liners in this. I've never heard of this brand. That's something different I'd like to try. Here are the colors. Okay, and the first one is Nutty Net. It looks like kind of an orangey red, I think. Let's just do it right here. Right here. And then I'll go ahead and swatch the other 2 real quick. This one is called Bow Babe. That's more like a brown. And the last one is a darker brown. It's called Crazy Kyra. Small print, so it's hard for me to see it. This is the brown. And I put on the middle shade there today. These are nice and creamy. Feeling nice. They're real lightweight. So we'll see how it lasts. I don't need lip pencils, but I like these colors, so I went ahead and said, yeah, I'm going to keep this. Sometimes I don't, just put them aside, but these I'm keeping. And it says our lip liners are buttery smooth, which glides and blends easily. They're richly pigmented and long wearing. That's good to know. And the manufacturer retail price is $18. For 3 for $18, that's not bad. I am pulling out something by Beauty by Pop Sugar Beauty. And this is a It says it's a Sweet Stick Glossy Lip Color. And it is in Coffee Date. And what it is, it's pretty packaging. But it's a lip crayon. Okay. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't care for the dark color on me. So I'm going to go ahead and put this aside for someone to give it to who can use it and love it. It's nice. I mean, it's nice to get it. I just don't need it. So, can't judge it for that. Okay, let's see what it says though. Beauty by Pop Sugar. It's loaded with all healthy ingredients. The Glossy Stick is an easily glossy lip crayon that nourishes your lips while giving a natural soft tint with shades created to match a variety of lip and skin tones. They have the texture and feel of a balm, but the look and staying power of a rich glossy lipstick, and it retails for $20. Like I said, that one's a little dark for me. And we get to choose one product a month, and I went ahead and chose this by Benefit. It is the Hydrating Porefessional Primer. Now, last month I got the other Benefit primer, and I really loved it. I didn't think I did. I thought, oh, I wanted the hydrating one, but I really liked that one. Now, I have used this a couple times already. I have it on today. And I actually like that one better. But this is nice. Go ahead. Here's what it looks like. There we go. And it is hydrating and smooth. It's nice. You know, it's a primer. I'm not that fussy with primers. I don't know if they help or I think they help me, because what it does is smooths out my skin, being that I'm older and I have a lot of wrinkles now, you know, and sagginess. So there's a little pamphlet in here. I didn't know that. I just not seen it. Well, heck. Come on out. Come on out. What's going on here? Ah, I'm dropping things. Ah. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. The little thingy here tells you a little more about it. I want to see this pamphlet in here and see what it says. Wow, it's thick. That's why I'm having a hard time getting it out. Nice thick one, see? Okay, let's see. And it is, wow, nice and long. Tips and tricks. Okay, well, let me read about that. Not now, but I will read it later and see exactly what they have to say. But I will read what the card has to say about it. This is by Benefit Cosmetic. And like I said, it was the Porefessional Hydrating Primer. This stuffy, smooth, hydrating face primer instantly moisturizes and refreshes the skin, helps makeup stay put, and minimizes the look of pores and fine lines. It has the same all-free, lightweight feel and pore minimizing power as the original. The Porefessional plus 12-hour hydration for normal to dry skin. And the retail price is $32. These are expensive. So I'm glad I got this, because I've always wanted to try them, and I don't like paying that much, so it's nice to get it in this box, because I paid $25 for this box, and that's a $32 primer, and I do like primers. Okay, last but not least, I got an eyeshadow palette by Touch and Soul. It's called Fill Up Orange. It's real beautiful packaging, a little glittery, and you open it up, and has a nice mirror, and then here are the colors. Now it says it's an orange palette. To me, it's more of a warm tone palette. I'm not crazy at all about orange, but I thought, well, I'll give it a try, and I do have it on today. So you can see on my glasses. This is what it looks like on me, and I used, let's see, what did I use? I don't know what this big one's for. I don't know if that's a highlighter or that's considered an eyeshadow. I don't know. Or a cheek color. It could be for anything. You could use it for all three. But I have on this one, the orange, the dark brown here. I have on these three here. In fact, I think I used every one, to be honest with you. And then I popped it on with the glitter. Yeah, I did use all three. Yeah. It went on really nice. Nice and smooth, buttery, really nice. So I guess when I first seen this, I was a little disappointed. I'm not crazy about warm colors, but this changed my mind. I hope it looks okay on me. Let's see what it says. Combine your love for strong color and glamorous glitter in the newest eyeshadow palette from Touch and Soul. Get 9 different shades and matte glitter textures, perfect for creating versatile
versatile looks.
These eyeshadows are non-creasing and glides onto lids smoothly for easy application and long-lasting wear. And it manufacturers suggested retail price is $32. Wow. Yeah. Touch and Soul is a nice brand. I got quite a few products through Boxycharm of theirs, and I like them all. Okay, well, there you go. So we have a $32 item, another $32 item, another $32 item, another $20, and $18. So let's add that all up. Okay, write down my trusty old phone because it has a calculator on it, obviously. So I have $135 value of this box that costs $25. So I think that's a very good deal. For the most part, I really like this box. I think they did an okay job. It is not my favorite. It's a nice box. It's just that I have some of the products already are similar products. But when you have a few subscription boxes, plus you've been getting this for 4 years, not much surprises me anymore. But I still enjoy it, and I think they did an okay job. Okay, they did an okay job. All right, that is my Boxycharm Base Box. I just want to remind everybody, if you haven't already, to please subscribe. I would so much appreciate it. I mean, why not? It's free. Also, if you don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I get lost in the land of YouTube. There's many, many beauty channels, and I am trying to grow my channel, so I would love for you to hit that notification bell so you will be notified when my next video is up, so you can go ahead and watch that. Hopefully you enjoy my content. And, oh yeah, I like this video. That really helps, and it shows YouTube there's interaction, and even if you dislike it, that's okay. It still shows YouTube that people are watching my videos. And I hope you don't hit dislike. I mean, yeah, I'm not perfect. I'm trying. And so what's that? Oh yeah, comment. That's really important to me. I love hearing from you. I love to hear what you have to say. And with that, I'm going to bid you a farewell, and I have some more videos to record, so you're going to see me here. In fact, I got some I recorded and I forgot to edit them and upload them. So I need to go do that. I'm just too much, I'm just way too busy these days. So yeah, I'm trying. I keep saying that in every video. I'm trying, but I am trying. All right, I'm gonna go ahead again and say goodbye, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.